at IIT Ropar, I have diversified students from various backgrounds. Students are coming from IITs, NITs, B.Techs and IIITs.
I'm making great connections here. I am making connections with this CSE student, MNC students, various other fields, and they are helping me out. They are telling me what they are doing in their profession. Hi, I'm Sunandini Bansal.
I am Amit Talmale.
My name is Vaibhav Chauhan.
I am learning about too much on AI, and I am doing a computer science course, and I want to do doing a specialization in AI, and I want to do core in artificial intelligence for cybersecurity.
I'm doing an internship in IIT Ropar. I was doing an internship under Professor Sudarshan Iyengar in CSE department. At JKLU, I have two mentors mainly. One is Professor Dheeraj Sanghi and another is Professor Devika Kataria. Both of them have mentored me and guided me to get into various places that I have been through past 2 years.
My internship here at IIT Ropar is basically comprising the department of the AI ML, Cybersecurity, Computer Visions and the full stack development. I am very grateful and thankful to our director Renu ma'am and Surbhi ma'am for mentoring me, and one and only this department, Sir Sudarshan Iyengar sir, the HOD of CSE department, and Ashu sir, my mentor. Thank you very much for providing me this incredible opportunity.